St. Louis Film Critics Association. The St. Louis Film Critics Association (SLFCA) is an organization of film critics operating in Greater St. Louis and adjoining areas of Missouri and Illinois, which was founded in 2004. In December of every year, the SLFCA assemble to vote on their annual film awards, which includes the SLFCA Award and one special recognition award for a best scene, cinematic technique, or other memorable aspect or moment in a film. SLFCA Awards are presented. Membership requirements and association structure. The St. Louis Film Critics Association outline 8 bylaws for the organization and 14 affiliated media outlets. According to the SLFCA, membership requirements for the association are as follows. Critics who are full members must produce reviews for a media outlet that is recognized by motion picture studios and local film public relations agencies representing the studios. The members' reviews must contain original critical commentary and illustrate a breadth of film knowledge. A critic must watch and review at least 26 current feature-length motion pictures within each calendar year, January 1 – December 31. Qualifying films are those that are 1. Given a wide or limited theatrical release, including those films given concurrent digital multi-platform releases, or 2. Screened at a film festival. A qualifying review must be published or broadcast in a timely manner, i.e. within 7 days of the film's local opening or screening date. A qualifying standard review must be at least 300 words in length. 2 capsule reviews of 100 to 299 words in length may be counted as one standard review. 2 audio or video reviews may be counted as one standard review. Written reviews must be professionally edited and formatted, exhibit excellence in grammar and spelling, and accurate with respect to factual information. Reviews that are reprinted or rebroadcast in different formats or outlets. Qualifying print outlets must have a minimum verifiable circulation of 20,000. Qualifying radio and television outlets must be those that broadcast from an FCC-licensed station, commercial or public, or a satellite/internet radio station with a wide audience. Qualifying online outlets must be consistently updated, professional in appearance, and have a minimum of 5,000 unique visits per month. Podcasts do not qualify unless the audio reviews are originally broadcast. Award categories: Best Actor, Best Actress, Best Animated Film, Best Art Direction, Best Cinematography, Best Comedy, Best Director, Best Documentary Feature, Best Foreign Film, Most Original, Innovative, or Creative Film, Best Music/Score, Best Overlooked Film, Best Picture, Best Screenplay, Best Supporting Actor, Best Supporting Actress, Best Visual/Special Effects, Best Action Film. Award ceremonies: 2004, 2005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. Award breakdown: